Am I even recording? Yes, I am. You want to do it? Go on. I would have loved to do that as a kid. I would have loved to do that as a kid. That's why whenever I see someone younger, not necessarily just the kids, someone younger, I always let them try the bike, rev it and everything, because I know how it feels like to be in that kind of place where I'm just young, not even working yet, and I see a nice car or bike go past, so I'm like, I want that. Fucking hell. You forget how loud this bike is, man. Like, C63 is pretty loud, but you actually forget how loud some of these bikes are. Oh my balls. What's up, boy? Ah, they said hello before I said hello. That's so cute. Ah, no. Right, but it's Fred. Just go. You're nuts up. I was gonna get the A45 actually from this car, but hey, I ended up getting a different car, which I'm actually not gonna say because I don't want anyone knowing what I drive. It's a nice car though. 0 to 60 in I think it's like 3 working days maybe. What kind of number plate is that? GG66 GGG. That number plate probably costs more than my bike and 2 cars combined. Lucky with every green light right now. I hope this doesn't stop recording because battery is so low. I don't know why. I charged it overnight and it's charging on my power bank, so I don't know what's going on, and I hope this light is enough because INBIKE actually sent me new gloves. Royal Mail or whoever was in charge of them delivering them in this country decided to mess it up. First impressions, I already tried them on at home without unboxing them. They're actually quite good and comfortable. These actually feel and fit similar to my Alpine Stars Air V2s, I think they are, and that's why I got them, because they're actually quite nice, comfortable, thin with leather. Hi. It's always the little ones. This ice cream fan, by the way, right here, specifically this one, really nice cones with the thingy on top. Nope, you're not gonna leave me space. That's okay. F you! hell, that was fucking loud. It took a few seconds for me to like process it, but it was fucking loud. Stupid way to cross with a baby, but it's dead on. Oh, I didn't know this. I didn't know you can you can use it on your phone. Why didn't INBIKE, you didn't tell me this. You did not tell me I can use this on my phone. I didn't know I could use it on my phone. I swear, all I do is spend my life in freaking petrol stations right now. Literally. Petrol station after petrol station. If it's not one of my cars, it's my other one. C63 does about 9 freaking miles per gallon. And if I'm not in the petrol station with one of them, I'm in the petrol station with this bike. Legal, as long as you don't touch them. Even though they're small, they're actually pretty good. I love those roundabouts. You don't even need to go fast, 30 miles an hour. Limit is 40, you do 30 to maximum 35 and you can lean on them. Damn!